Great day to you. Out at Lacey's Creek, out past Daybra. Just had a little thought I wanted to share. Oh, wallaby. About menopause. It's like, what if this is the best time in our life? And that every time it's judged that, oh, she's just menopausal or something blah blah. It's like, what if it's the first time that women have actually said what they think? Wow! Said what we think. No more shutting down our throat chakras. So good to speak up, to say what's really pissed us off all this time when we haven't been allowed to or given space to. I did not start that. That is, I think they're just burning off out here. It is truly beautiful. Okay, so my final thoughts are, what if we just didn't give things labels? It's like, this is a time in our life where it's wonderful. It's using all that wisdom that we've learned over the years, and that it's finally being our true, authentic self. Cheers to that. Ahoo.